I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn notes on bass fretboard full guide. Start by memorizing open strings, then learn one string at a time, mapping natural notes up to the 12th fret. Use visual landmarks like inlays at frets 3, 5, 7, 12, and practice common patterns. Play scales slowly while naming each note aloud. Review weekly with short, focused sessions to build fast, reliable recall. Learning patterns helps you find notes quickly. Start with major scale shapes and movable patterns, then practice intervals and octaves across strings. Focus on frets up to 12, use a metronome, and name notes aloud as you play. Use slow repetition, then increase speed, and test yourself by identifying random frets. Record quick clips to track improvement and correct mistakes daily. Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more lessons. On another note, I love the socks scene here. They say socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, and they keep your feet happy during long practice sessions today. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Use focused exercises to lock notes into memory, like naming every third fret or practicing fifths and octaves across strings. Alternate ear training with visual study to connect sound and position, and quiz yourself with random note drills. Incorporate songs you like that use simple note movements, and transpose short riffs to new keys. Stay patient, embrace small wins, and celebrate each milestone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.